Stop ko kaya po kayo sa akin.
Sige, tapos mo kayo sa akin.
Okay, we have keeper Rabel in the body. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yun lang, siguro I'd like to thank, una-una, sinabi ko kanina, the Lord for this award, for the blessings. This year, I and the team achieved a lot. We achieved a lot. Season of, siguro a season to forget. I think we all had the drive to perform better, and indeed we did. Short for goal into the finals. Pero everyone is witnessing a finals, a different finals, and it's all worth it for AU and FEU. The alumni, everything down to the management, kay Sir MVP, the Debbie, Jesuits, coaching staff, nila lahat. Siguro yung award na to is just a symbolism of each and every one of us working hard, yung hard work namin. Ito na yung bunga niya. So, very thankful kami.
Sabi mo sa mga previous interview, your team wanted to go all the way. So, di nyo na-achieve yun. So, pero nakuha mo yung highest individual award. So, ano bang makakonsider mo ba na biggest award mo season o consolation lang?
A different feeling talaga yung panigalaro ko sa finals. Ito siguro, ano na lang, yun nga, consolation, as this is not our goal, hindi talaga goal namin to, pero any consolation is better than nothing. Blessing pa rin talaga siya binigay sa akin. And yun nga, dinededicate ko din to para sa teammates ko. Ako hindi naman dahil sa kanila, hindi ko rin makakuha itong award na to.
Okay.
Tatanong mo, Josh.
First time mo mag-MVP kahit ano?
First time. It's special being at my yung first ever MVP ko. Pero you know, I would rather play in the finals. But it's something worth having. Baka ma-misinterpret ako na ayaw manalo na MVP. Pero of course, who doesn't want to play in the finals of the UAAP? Pero ganun talaga. Have to, siguro, ay nako Diyos. Siguro, ano lang siya, sabi pa ni Lord, kulang pa ng konting trabaho with the team. Pero it's a good sign for us.
Would you trade your MVP for a championship?
Oo, most definitely. Hindi ako magdadalawang isip to trade my MVP for a championship. Yun nga, first MVP ko to, pero I've won numerous championships. Out siguro, kaya medyo malayo ako sa award siguro sa MVP dahil gusto ko talaga manalo yung team. Pero ngayon, ito, good blessing again from the Lord.
What do you expect from you next year?
Ngayon, ano muna, recover, pahinga since I played a lot this year. Tapos, yun nga, it's gonna be a stronger team definitely this next season. Pero ngayon, we have time to think about how to improve it. We have time to get our rookies more exposure. Same time, we have time for families or studies to catch up. May time din kami para manood ng game. Kahit masakit. Pero yun talaga, it's also ano rin, ngayon lang namin na-realize kung ano yung nangyayaring na to for us talaga. May rason naman lahat para dyan. So, yeah.
You started your preparations na season.
Aga. Pero ano, I started practicing with, I just practiced with TNT. Pero it's just for, you know, trying to improve myself. Kasi nga may uni games. So, ayun yung pinaghahandaan din namin. Since wala pa kaming team practice, I asked my dad if I could join their practice first. So, I was able to join their conditioning, yung workout nila. So, ayun.
How
about Gilas? kahit at least ka din, meron ka bang plans?
If,
Gusto mo bang mangyari?
I mean, ayoko naman sabihin na pangalan ko na, ayoko sabihin na gusto ko kagad mag-Gilas. Pero pag kinuha naman nila ako, I'll be open to it. I would want to play with, nabasa ko yung isang article sila, Mac, nandun din, Jeron, nandun din, sila PVO. So, ibang din yung challenge for me how to compete with the best collegiate players. So, I would be open, most definitely. Won't think twice of joining the Gilas team.
Keep sa PBA naman. No, sabi mo, ay pag makikipag-practice ka na. Sabi ko sa Token Text.
Hindi. Nag-declare naman ako na maglalaro na ako ulit next year. So, I'll still take my talents to Katipunan.
Yan yun! Hindi kami makukuryente Hindi kayo makukuryente dyan
Katipunan.
Sa Miriam.
Stop you.
Sa task. Okay.
Very good.